Niate Mutongoria wa mwaho wa Azimio Raila Odinga niarekereirie ndumereri yake thutha wa mucemanio wake uria ukuhanikaga kana uria ufati kuhanika kamukuji gutharario ni honge cia ugitari ikihuthira hinya mukiru muthe wa umuthe kana muthe wa kerI wa mirurungano ino marauga ate ni ihoto ciao gukorwo magithii na mbere na kururungana makiria magiteta ni undu wa thogora wa muturere uria uthiete na mbere na kwambatira thiini wa bururi wa Kenya.
Ari ni ikereka ria kerI ria mirurungano bururi-ini ititio ni mutongoria wa mwaho wa Azimio Raila Odinga gicungiririe thigari kuhuthira hinya guthararia arurungani na muno makiria ria makuharagereria igongona riake riria rithararirio kiharo-ini gia kamukuji.
Early this morning, our crew who had been sent to set up the stage at Kamukuji were attacked and their equipment damaged. Some were arrested. In line with the intelligence we received, armed goons have this afternoon descended on Kamukuji grounds and shot indiscriminately into the crowd.
Yeregereirio gukorwo iri mirurungano ya thayu uthukangia wa indo kugurario kwa arurungani arene hamwe na ngikorwo ni mioyo yao nimo maumirira maria meyumiritie Raila agikumithia thigari ni kuhuthira hinya makiria akiuga arurungani ni aheirwo thani gatiba ya gibururi.
Police have shot, injured and killed protesters in various parts of the country, including here in Nairobi. Scores of protesters have been arrested for participating in an exercise that is clearly protected by our constitution.
Macungiriri ma mirurungano ino ni hamwe na kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturere kumana na kuhetukio kwa watho wa kigina uria wendekithirie andu kuruta igoti na gicunji kia iguru. Raila akiuga ni mugaru na watho kiendekithiria mutongoria wa bururi kuteaniria na gwetha njira ingi ya gukuria bururi hatari kuhinyiriria mu Kenya.
So there is no moving on until Ruto comes out openly and agrees to repeal the Finance Act and embarks on other measures to lower the cost of living.
Ndumereri yake ni oretie Ruto gutiga kuingirira ciama iria ingi wona watho uria wahetukirio mwaka-ini wa 1992 wendekithirie Kenya kugia na wiyathi wa ciama nyingi akiuria aria othe mathurirwo na mwaho wa Azimio na Jubilee augete ithi wa Azimio na guthamira thirikari-ini matie matuo ma Wanjiko.
We did not fight for a new constitution and multi-party only for Ruto to take us back to the 1980s. Kenyans will not accept it.
Muno makiria endekithitie kugia na miario ya hamwe wa muri-ini wa memba honge rwa ithurano na mihaka IEBC kumana na kiria ugite ni makungeirio wara ithurano-ini kihetuku.
We need to have a bipartisan constitution of IEBC. The statement of the fired IEBC commissioners until he commits to respect and stop interfering with other political parties.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ria kwani maina wa mucwe.